So the extra indicator that we need to add is going to be a buy-sell indicator called twin range filter, which is actually my favorite buy-sell indicator on TradingView. We're going to be using the default settings, so no need to change anything. Now, at this point in time, I know you may be thinking, but how can we take long and short positions using these two indicators that we have here? Well, let me show you. To take a long trade, you obviously want to make sure that the trend is bullish on the 15-minute time frame as well as on the 2-hour time frame. For that, you just make sure that the HTF trend cloud is colored green, the LNL trend line is colored green, and the trend candles are also colored green. And we're not just talking about the green candles that come with your default settings on TradingView. Oh no, we're talking about this indicator changing your candles to green. Once you have that, that would confirm a bullish trend across the two timeframes. And having both the candles, the LNL trend line, and the HTF cloud being colored green indicates that it's not just a bullish trend, but a super strong bullish trend. And then within this bullish trend, you want a long signal to be printed by the twin range filter, like this. So as you can see, this is the signal, and then this is the signal candle, and everything on this candle was colored green, from the HTF trend cloud to the LNL trend line to the signal candle itself. We're gonna enter a long position here. Stop loss goes under the most recent swing low. For the take profit, we're gonna target a risk reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And this was a profitable trade. Now, we keep scrolling to find the next entry, and this is it. It was actually a short position, which basically means the opposite of a long position. As you can see, the HTF trend cloud was colored red, indicating a bearish trend on the 2-hour time frame. The LNL trend line was colored red, also indicating a bearish trend on the 15-minute time frame. And then the candles themselves were also colored red by the indicator, which is a further confirmation that this bearish trend is strong enough for us to take a short position. And then our entry confirmation arrived when this short signal was printed by the twin range filter. We enter a short position here, stop loss above the most recent swing high. And again, for the take profit, we're gonna go with a risk reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. This was also a profitable trade. If we keep scrolling further, we can see that this was another trade. A short signal was printed, and on the same candle, we can see that everything else was colored red, so we take a short position. And this was a profitable trade. So that's just one of the methods that you can use this indicator to trade. But there is another way, where you add a different indicator, like the breaks and retests indicator by Getty. So with this, you basically identify a break of a support or a resistance level, like here, and then you wait for this retest label to be printed. Then once you have the break and retest, you ensure that the trend is bearish on both the 15-minute time frame and the 2-hour time frame. And then, if that's the case, you take a short position. Simple. Overall, the LNL trend system is a versatile trading indicator. It combines multiple components and modes to assist traders in identifying the trend, potential trade setups, and market conditions across various timeframes and market types. If you're interested in checking out this indicator, well, you can find it on TradingView. That's basically everything for this video. I hope you found some value.